I give a Chef Ricardo, guys. This is my juice bar channel. And you know, I'm always giving you some simple recipe like salad and you know I mean bits and pieces in between. So please stay tuned, follow me on Instagram and my Facebook page. My name is Chef Ricardo. I always give you the best recipe in this whole entire world. Don't go anywhere. Watch this simple little salad, what you can have with your dinner in the evening. Stay tuned. Nice and lovely, guys. So basically simple basic salad at home. Alright, so grab a pen and a piece of paper and write it down. This is a stalk of celery stick. So we're going to cut it up. Just wash it off. Just cut it up just like this. Spring onion, very good. That is beautiful and nice. And now we got some plum cherry tomato, which you're going to be using. Now, I'm just going to add some, this is some beautiful style of doing your apple. I'm using a medium-sized red apple. Right, so this is just another way of doing your apple at home. All right, come out lovely and nice. All right, so I use this side of the grater. I got this side, this side, this side, and this side. So I'll just use this side right here. So it just come out really finely and nice. Cut it up really finely and nice, honestly. So I'm just gonna simple. Just mix it up together like that. Now I'm gonna put in some carrot. I'm using 2 medium-sized carrots. Wow, that is lovely and amazing. So we're just gonna simple mix the rocket and carrot together. Just gonna simple, just combine everything together. That is beautiful. Please don't go anywhere, stay right here. Alright, This is just an amazing. Look at that. Look at this now, guys. Fantastic and lovely. Alright, so now what we're going to do is shear up this lovely salad. Alright. Look at this. Beautiful. Now I have a medium-sized avocado, which I want to use. You can put some nice, lovely cucumber, but I didn't have any cucumber. I'm sorry. So this is just amazing, guys. Look at that salad. That is lovely. See what I'm talking about? That's exactly what I'm talking about right there. Now, I can simply just put a little bit of chili, dried chili, on it like this. Little bit of pepper. Lovely. And also I have some superfood chia seed. Really good for salad. Also, let's put a little bit, not much, tiny little bit on it. All right. Beautiful salad. Enjoy it and subscribe to your YouTube channel. But look at this now. Share it up with some food. Nice one. So I got some also roast tomato right there. And I'm going to serve this with some vegetarian lasagna. Look at that. Amazing. Fantastic and nice. Anyway, guys, please enjoy this recipe, subscribe and leave your comments in the description box. Please tell a friend, and a friend, tell a friend. Alright, and that's from Chef Ricardo and the team, and I will see you next time in the kitchen with more recipe. Bye bye.